This is the forest that the horses already have access to and spend quite a bit of time in. You can see how it's really cleared of underbrush and trampled down, and it's quite a nice clear open forest.
Good boy. Aren't you respectful? Go ahead. Such a good lad. Oh, it's so exciting. Yes, Jax. And Taro's off.
And this is the new forest adjacent that we've just opened up for them today. You can see it's a lot more crowded with underbrush.
Zora's over there eating fern tips. And Odie, what are you eating, honey? Some moss. So much smelling going on, hey? Are you identifying mostly by smell or by I think it's smell. I think that's how she's sniffing out what's good to eat. I want to show them what you're eating, Pumpkin. Yes, they do. We got some ferns there. So this is 2 months later, and this is the kind of trails the horses have made through this wood. And some of these trails dead end, but others of them just keep going, winding their way through this forest. And so here, you've got a good path that leads off that way, right through there. And you've got another path through there. And let's see if there's one through here. Yep, there is. So if you want to clear a woods of brush and make paths in it really fast, just put a herd of horses in here and they will just clean it right up. And what I like about horses, see this trail, is that they create these supernatural looking trails. They don't hack things down like, see that with the branch arcing over it? If the branch is flexible, they just duck under it and go through it, and they don't break it off like we would. We would like hack the branch down or something. we've come out of the woods. And here they all are. Lift up no, too hot. Too hot. You eat too much of the monkey. Joe's giving me the eye, like, I'm gonna work my way over to you and maybe I'll scratch my belly. See? Her little eye, she's like, belly scratch.
Jax is like, get away from her.
I was like, you know how I get a little bit of tension when Jack comes near me?
Yeah.
It's like, uh-oh, it's Wizard Man.
Yeah. Don't need an alignment, thank you.
Yeah, and then I would just wait to kind of feel what energy or mood he's in, and then I'm like, okay, good, that's great, awesome. Could be.
Hey, Jax. Is Cobra not allowed near me? Thanks for minding your legs. It's funny how Cobra, he's cautiously curious.
Yes.
Like, you can tell he wants to engage.
Yeah.
And he almost can't believe that it's on his terms.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like, he's never been given the opportunity to be the one who's in charge
No.
of whether there's touch or no touch or...
Yeah. Hi. Well, how did you get so close? Hi. Their noses. Unbelievable.